The bagong alyansa Makabayan or Bayan Group expressed support in the investigation of the International Criminal Court or ICC in relation to the war on drugs that happened during the term of former President Rodrigo Duterte. Bayan Secretary General Muang Palatino said so far they have no plan to file a case against former President Duterte. He said they wanted to focus first on what the ICC is doing in relation to this. But that doesn't mean they have no preparation for it.
Ang problema kasi pa nag-file tayo ng kaso dito ngayon, pwedeng gamiting argument ng Duterte camp na bakit pa may ICC? Tapusin muna itong final na kaso dito sa local courts.
In relation to this, he said the current administration should support the ICC investigation.
Sa tingin ko dapat ito ay enforce ng pamahalaan. Kahit hindi tayo miyembro ng ICC sa ngayon, tayo ay miyembro pa ng ICC noong nangyari ang tokhang. So ito ay hamon sa pamahalaan ni President Bongbong Marcos Jr. na respetuhin itong proseso ng ICC, hayaan na mag-testify ang mga opisyal ng pamahalaan, lalo na ang pulisya kung kinakailangan. At the same time, kung ano man yung gamiting na mga dokumento sa ICC, ay pwedeng maging batayan din natin sa paghahabol ng mga kaso dito sa Pilipinas.
Moreover, it was also very difficult to file a case while Duterte was still sitting as president. So now they are happy with the Congress hearing even though this should have been started before.
Wini-welcome natin itong ginagawa ng Kongreso, no? Na pagdinig about kung ano ba talaga ang nangyari noong tokhang. In fact, dapat noon pa ito ginawa.
He said that a lot has happened after the year 2016-2017 and it's possible that some have forgotten the issue. According to the Bayan Group, the war on drugs is not over up until the current administration, so they wanted that the drug problem must be addressed and extrajudicial killings are not the solution. Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.